Big day in tech. Meta just dropped a bombshell about its next-gen AI model. Apple's AI strategy leaked, and a startup just made robots that can fold laundry. Plus, Google's new chip breakthrough, a major cybersecurity warning, and why Tesla's stock jumped overnight. 6 stories, right now. Let's dive in. Story 1. Meta's next major AI model, Llama 4, has surfaced in early benchmarks and the results are turning heads. According to leaked performance data, Llama 4 matches or exceeds GPT-4 Turbo on reasoning tasks while being completely open source. That means developers worldwide can run it, modify it, and build with it for free. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has been clear about his strategy. Open source AI is Meta's path to dominating the AI infrastructure layer. If Llama 4 delivers on these benchmarks, it forces OpenAI and Anthropic to justify their subscription prices. The model reportedly has 400 billion parameters with a mixture of experts architecture that activates only 60 billion per query. That efficiency could make it runnable on consumer hardware. The official release is expected within weeks. Story 2. A leak from Apple's internal teams reveals that the next generation of Siri, powered by Apple Intelligence, will run large language models on device using Apple's upcoming M5 neural engine. The leaked documents show Apple is training a 7 billion parameter model specifically for Siri that handles complex multi-turn conversations, app control, and contextual awareness across your entire device ecosystem. The breakthrough is the efficiency. Apple's model reportedly uses 40% less battery than cloud-based alternatives while matching their performance on most tasks. The privacy implication is huge. Your conversations with Siri would never leave your device. Apple is expected to showcase this at their September event alongside iPhone 17. Story 3. A robotics startup called Physical Intelligence just demoed a robot that can fold laundry, make beds, and sort items, tasks that have been notoriously difficult for robots because every piece of clothing is different. Their robot uses a new approach, a general-purpose AI brain that learns physical manipulation the same way language models learn text. Instead of programming specific folding motions, the robot watches humans do tasks and learns the underlying principles of manipulation. The demo showed the robot folding shirts, towels, and pants with about 85% success rate. That is not perfect, but it is a massive leap from where robotics was a year ago. The company raised $400 million in funding. Story 4. Google's quantum AI team just published results showing they have achieved below-threshold quantum error correction for the first time. This is the holy grail of quantum computing. In simple terms, quantum computers are extremely fragile. Their qubits lose information almost instantly due to noise and interference. Error correction adds extra qubits to protect the data, but until now, the correction itself introduced more errors than it fixed. Google's new Willow chip demonstrated that adding more qubits actually reduces the error rate, crossing below the critical threshold. This means we now have a viable path to building large-scale, reliable quantum computers. Google says a useful commercial quantum computer is now 5 to 10 years away. Story 5. The FBI and CISA issued a joint warning about a new wave of AI-powered phishing attacks that are nearly impossible to detect. The attacks use AI to clone voices, generate personalized emails, and even create deepfake video calls. What makes this attack different is the AI uses publicly available data from LinkedIn, social media, and corporate websites to craft messages that reference your specific job, colleagues, and recent projects. One reported attack involved a deepfake video call of a CFO authorizing a $12 million wire transfer. Security experts recommend establishing verbal verification protocols for any financial transaction over $1,000. The age of trusting what you see and hear online is over. Story 6. Tesla shares jumped 8% overnight after the company announced it is expanding its Robotaxi service to 3 new cities, Austin, Phoenix, and San Francisco, starting next month. The expansion comes after the company reported 0 accidents in over 500,000 autonomous trips in its pilot phase. Tesla also revealed that the Robotaxi service will operate at a 30% lower cost per mile than Uber, making it the cheapest ride option in those cities. The bigger news for investors is that Tesla confirmed the Robotaxi service will be profitable by Q1 2027. Elon Musk also teased that the Cybercab will enter production in early 2027 at a target price of under $25,000. That's 6 tech stories breaking today. Meta's open source AI, Apple's Siri brain transplant, robots folding laundry, Google's quantum breakthrough, AI-powered cyber attacks, and Tesla's Robotaxi expansion. If you want daily tech news like this, subscribe to Web Oracle. Drop a comment which story matters most to you. See you tomorrow.